Hello all, in today's video we'll see the if structural directives. In previous video we have seen the for structural directive. Now we will see the if directive. Two types of directives are there. As I said already, two types are structural and attribute. We are seeing the structural directives. Already we have seen for. In this video we will see the if directive. And let us go to directives.component.ts and add a variable named has logged in. I am going to use this variable to store the value either true or false. Has logged in colon, return type is boolean. I am going to initialize it as false, and I am going to write, it is already there, and I am going to write a function named login and logout. I am going to call this function whenever a button is clicked, and the login function I am going to change the variable has logged in is equal to true. And similarly I am going to write the same for logout function, and you obviously know the value of the variable has logged in has to be changed to false whenever the logout button is clicked. Okay, just save it and then move to app component.html, and I am going to display two content. One is welcome guest, another one is welcome Anu or something, whatever the name you want. Okay, just to save it and check the output. You could see both the results, welcome guest and welcome Anu, under the directives part, right? Now I am going to display any one of the tests. Either I want to welcome guest or I want to welcome Anu. If the login button is clicked, I have to welcome Anu. If the login button is not clicked, I have to welcome the guest. Which means if the user logged in, I have to welcome the user along with their name. Okay, if not, I have to welcome only the guest. So for this we need to take a decision. So we are making certain condition. If the condition is true, we'll display something, else we'll display something. So we need obviously if condition. So before that I have to call a function login and logout, because we have mentioned true and false only in the login function. So I am going to create a button named login, and whenever the button is clicked, I am going to call a login function. Okay, I am going to call a login function. So similarly I am going to create a logout button. Button name is logout. The function to be called is also logout. Okay, whenever the button is clicked, the function will be called, respective function will be called. So login button clicks welcome guest, logout button clicks Anu. So this is not the exact correct. So we have to use the condition if. So we have used star ng for structural directive. For if condition we have to use star ng if, and we have to check not has logged in. If the user is not logged in, we have to display welcome guest. Similarly, if the user is logged in, we have to display welcome Manu. Okay. We have done two mistakes. One is the function call login of and logout of, and another one is not logged in. If not logged in means we have to display guest. If logged in means we have to display welcome Anu, and after displaying welcome Anu, the button name should be changed to logout. So let us check the result now. Yeah, we are having welcome guest. Initially the login function is not called. Whenever the login function is called, automatically it will go to login function and will change the value of the variable has logged in to true. So when the login button is clicked, welcome Anu is displayed and the button logout is displayed. When the